Okay, so we have here the long division. So the given is 3x to the fourth plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 5x minus 3 all over x squared plus x minus 1. So we use this long division if we are dividing polynomials divided by another polynomial. So we have here already a solved example. So the numerator goes inside this division symbol divided by x squared plus x minus 1. So that will be, the divisor will be outside. So the first thing is to arrange the degrees of the polynomials into a decreasing order. So we started fourth power, third power, second raised to 1, and then no more variable. And same thing as the divisor. So we also arrange it in decreasing order. So x squared, x, and then no more variable. Okay, so the long division starts with the first term here, 3x to the fourth, divided by the first term of this divisor. So 3x to the fourth divided by x squared, the answer will be 3x squared. Okay, and then this answer, this term here, multiplied to all terms in this divisor. So 3x squared times x squared, the answer will be here, 3x to the fourth. And then again, 3x squared times x, the answer is here, positive 3x cubed. And then 3x squared times negative 1, so we have negative 3x squared. So just like in regular division of numbers, so after multiplying, we subtract this whole expression from here. So we subtract, therefore we change the signs of each of these terms. This will become negative, so 3x to the fourth minus 3x to the fourth is 0. And then 2x cubed minus 3x cubed, that becomes negative x cubed. Negative x squared minus negative 3x squared, so negative times negative, that becomes positive. So we have positive 2x squared. And then bring down 5x, bring down negative 3. So now the first term here, or the leading term here, is negative x cubed. So we divide this by the first term again of this divisor. So negative x cubed divided by x squared is negative x. And then again, this answer, negative x, multiply to each of these terms. Negative x times x squared is also negative x cubed. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Negative x times negative 1 is positive x. Again, we subtract from this expression. So negative, negative, that becomes positive. So negative x cubed minus negative x cubed, that will become 0. 2x squared minus negative x squared, so this will become positive again. So that will be an addition, so that becomes 3x squared. And then 5x minus x, that gives us positive 4x. Then bring down 3, negative 3. Okay, so now we have here 3x squared plus 4x minus 3. We divide again the leading term, 3x squared, by the leading term here. So 3x squared divided by x squared is 3. And then this answer again multiplied to all of the terms here. So 3 times x squared, 3x squared. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Okay? And then subtract everything. So negative, so 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. 4x minus 3x is x. Negative 3 minus negative 3 is 0. So here, x can no longer be divided by x squared because the exponent of x is less than the exponent of x squared. So now this becomes our remainder. So it goes up here. So plus the remainder x divided by x squared plus x minus 1, which is this one. Okay, so the quotient will be this. Okay, 3x squared minus x plus 3 plus x over x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, so for the next example, we have here 4x cubed minus x plus 3 over x plus 2. Okay, so first, of course, we need to write it down. So 4x cubed minus x plus 3. Okay, so again, we need to arrange it in decreasing order. So, but since we have here x cubed, so that's the highest exponent, and negative x, and then 3. So what we are missing is the x squared, right? It should be 3, 2, 1, and then raised to 0. So we are missing x squared, so that's why we need to replace it with a placeholder which is 0x squared. So instead of writing it like this, we will write 4x cubed plus 0x squared. So this is basically just 0, but it replaces the position for the missing x squared. Okay, and then minus x plus 3. Okay, divided by x plus 2. So luckily the divisor is just x plus 2, so there's no missing term, right? So we just write it as x plus 2. Okay, then we proceed. So we start with 4x cubed divided by x. So leading term divided by leading term. 4x cubed divided by x is 4x squared, right? And then 4x squared times x is 4x cubed again. And then 4x squared times 2 is 8x squared. Okay? And then, so we subtract this whole thing. Okay? So, 4x cubed minus 4x cubed, that will be 0. 0x squared minus 8x squared, that gives us negative 8x squared. Okay? And then bring down negative x, and then plus 3. Okay? Then, now, the leading term is negative 8x squared. So, we divide this by x. So, negative 8x squared divided by x is negative 8x. Okay, and then this answer, multiply again to all terms here. So, negative 8x times x is negative 8x squared. Negative 8x times 2 is negative 16x. And then, again, subtract. So, negative 8x squared minus negative 8x squared, this will become positive. So, this is now 0. Negative x minus negative 16x. So, negative times negative, that becomes positive. So, negative x plus 16, that gives us 15x. Positive 15x. Okay, and then bring down 3. Okay, so now the leading term is 15x. It can still be divided by x because they still have an equal exponent. Okay, 15x divided by x is positive 15. So, 15 times x is 15x. Okay. 15 times 2 is 30. And then we subtract this again. Okay. So, 15x minus 15x is 0. 3 minus 30 is negative 27. So, now, can we still divide negative 27 by x? So, since the exponent here is no longer existing, or the variable is not as an exponent of x raised to 0, therefore we can no longer divide it by x. So this is now your remainder. So that will be plus, then negative 27 over x plus 2. Okay, so this here is our quotient.